Today, I'll show you how to file your investments with TurboTax. Filing taxes can seem daunting, especially when it comes to investments. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate TurboTax and accurately file your investment information. Let's begin. First, open your current tax return in TurboTax. If you haven't already started a new return, make sure you have your login credentials handy to access your TurboTax account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that summarizes your tax situation. This is where you'll find all the sections you need to complete your return. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu bar. From this menu, select the option labeled Federal. This is where you'll handle all federal tax matters, including investment reporting. Clicking on this will direct you to the federal tax section of your return. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see a series of tabs. Look for the one labeled Wages and Income. In some versions, this might be called Income and Expenses. Click on this tab. This section encompasses all income sources, not just wages, which means it's where you'll input information about your investments. As you scroll down through the Wages and Income section, keep an eye out for the Investments and Savings category. This is the area specifically designed for reporting investments like stocks, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, and bonds. You might need to scroll a bit, but once you find it, you're ready for the next step. Next to the stocks, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, bonds, other option, you'll see a button labeled Start or Revisit. Click on this button. If this is your first time entering investment information for this tax year, you'll click Start. If you're updating or revisiting information you previously entered, you'll click Revisit. Once you click, you'll be taken to a screen that asks if you sold stocks, crypto, or other investments. This is a crucial question, as it helps TurboTax determine which forms and information you need to provide. Answer yes to this question if you have sold any investments during the tax year. This ensures that TurboTax will prompt you for the necessary details to accurately report your capital gains or losses. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the section where you can file your investments with TurboTax. From here, TurboTax will guide you through entering specific details about each investment transaction. This includes the type of investment, dates of purchase and sale, as well as the sale price. Be sure to have all your investment documents handy, as they will contain the information needed to complete these sections. Filing your investments accurately is essential to avoid any issues with the heirs. Take your time and double-check the information you enter against your documents. TurboTax is designed to make this process as straightforward as possible, providing prompts and explanations along the way. Remember, if you ever feel unsure at any step, TurboTax offers additional guidance and support options. You can access help articles or even connect with a tax expert for personalized assistance. I hope this tutorial has made the process of filing your investments with TurboTax a little clearer and less intimidating. With these steps, you're well on your way to completing your tax return with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.